Today being a Tuesday, we shall talk and discuss about corals. So coral is also called Munga, and the ruler of corals is Mars, which is also called Mangal, and hence the relevance that the ruler is Mangal, and it is also called as a Mangal ka Nang. But there are more beautiful aspects besides it being an astrological stone. It has got multiple benefits that we will be discussing, and you can also give some of your informations to me in the comments below and make it more as an interactive session. I'll be more than glad. If you have any queries, you can ask some questions also. I will make sure that I answer all of them. So coral, coming back to coral is a Tuesday stone and called also Mangal, as I just said. It is got from the coral reefs. The interesting thing is in the ocean beds, the tropical and the subtropical oceans, they have these coral reefs. They look like trees. So on those coral reefs, this gets deposited. Corals get deposited in the form of, they are actually a formation of calcium carbonate. So that is a scientific aspect, and it is very beautiful and amazing. So the interesting thing is that actually in the branches of the coral reefs, you get these corals, and hence the name corals. And the other beautiful thing is that the color. The color is ranging from orange to vermilion red to red. Orange to red is the color range of corals. Available in shapes, ovals, rounds, rectangles, triangles. Often triangle stones are suggested by astrologers when it is for some kind of negative energies around you, to save you, or from black magic or something of that sort. That time the triangle shape comes in. Here I have some stones to show you. Come here, I'll show. I have oval stones right now. These are the ovals. The very good quality ones are the Italian ones. Here I have ovals to show you. They are all certified. And the other good thing about, come closer and let them have a closer look, na? The good thing about the coral is that it helps the wearer in the negative energies, and it saves the wearer from the negative energies. It also provides enthusiasm and courage. You know, there are many obstacles in our lives, so it helps you to overcome all of that. A very good thing about coral is it helps you in boosting your your immunity. So when you are more immune to any kind of illnesses, this really helps you boost that, and it also helps you boost your confidence and your courage. It is an ideal blood purifier. So you know what, the coral is actually very good for health. So you know what, if let me draw your attention to the fact that coral is widely appreciated in the south. That's because of one of the good quality is that it helps in purifying blood. So whenever, you know, the babies are wearing it along with the black beads, the Mangal Sutra, like all the females make sure they have the coral on their body. So coral can be worn as a jewelry. If you are wearing it, there are many benefits which I told you. So it helps you being positive, it gives you confidence. It also helps in financial problems, like if you are in debts, it does help you, coral. So coral can also help in various kinds of maintaining your physical health. So health wise also it is beneficial. So there is no harm in wearing it. Making a beautiful jewelry, maybe delicate from it, and wearing it on regular basis. So there is no harm in wearing the coral. Okay. So we need not worry that it is not told to us to wear, मंगल हमारा weak नहीं है तो हम क्यों पहने. So we will wear it. If we do, we will wear it for the good qualities that the stone has, since it is naturally available. So there is goodness in this stone given to the stone from the ruler, and hence we can wear it gladly in a very creative and innovative way. I will show you some jewelry that we have created from coral. This coral that you can see has been carved into a Ganesha, and a temple jewelry concept has been, like as I told you last time, there are sketches made from a particular stone, and then the designing is done. So this is a totally handcrafted set. Corals are used, rubies are used, and the conch pearls, mother of pearl, and with diamonds. So kindly focus on this set a little more for our viewers to have a feast for their eyes. It's a beautiful set, as you can see, designed. The centerpiece of Ganesha is from coral. We do a lot of designing on various concepts. So concept designing is our a base thing, that we are too much into concept designing, and all our sets are all conceptualized and designed, and we design for various jewelers. Like if we do work on a project with a particular jeweler, and we design a line of jewelry for you, we don't do it for anybody else. So we are too much into that. This is a very cute set from coral, for ideal for gifting or for regular wear. You can wear it regularly. The center piece is a very good quality Italian coral that you can see, and it has been designed with diamonds, and it is a certified piece. All our jewelry are certified. So we make sure that we give you authentic things. Coral, again, coming back to coral, the goodness, purifying blood, you should remember. There is no harm. It is good for your body, and otherwise the positive thing quality that it will give you is, it will give you the positiveness and courage. So it is ideal. It is highly recommended. Another gemstone of the day that we will discuss is the cat's eye. So cat's eye is also called lasunya in Gujarati and other Hindu. In Hindi language, it's called lasunya, popularly called lasunya, and or they call it the Ketu Nang. Why? Because the ruler is Ketu. Ketu in English we call the south lunar nodes. So moon has the north and the south nodes, and the Ketu is belonging to the south nodes. So it is represented by Ketu. So that is why it is also called Ketu. Cat's eye is a beautiful stone. The green is a very different green. You get the apple green color. You also get the Alex green color. So I'll be showing you both the colors. I have them here. Here you can see some pieces of cat's eye that I have to show you. This is a round cat's eye. The different beautiful colors that are available. This is again a cat's eye, but you can see that the tone of which, that's the round again, this is the oval. The goodness of the cat's eye is that it brings wealth and prosperity. It is highly recommended for people who are into big businesses, because they are always, like the wealth, we all need wealth and prosperity, but this is being, the Ketu, the stone, it has the good quality of wealth and prosperity. So we can have it. It helps you regain your lost wealth, or when you have closed a business, you had a loss and you closed a business. So Ketu helps you regain that business back. It also helps in money power, memory power. It helps you gain wisdom, and miraculously this gemstone helps you provide wealth secretly, either through some of your stock exchange, or what we call Shupadhan. After wearing the stone, you might suddenly benefit by having some kind of inheritance. So all these are actually in this gemstone. The qualities of this gemstone and the benefits that it can give the wearer, I am mentioning. So these are the facts None of the information that I will be providing you, I'll make sure they are all authentic. So there is no any kind of misguidance. I can't take that risk. And you know what, and health wise, if I say, it helps cure paralysis, any kind of mental imbalance, if you're having a lot of stress and anxiety. So Ketu helps in that. It also helps you fight stress, depression. There are some people, they're very wavering mind, and there are a lot of, the confidence is very low, but they are like in the stock market, and there is nothing in particular. I would not name any particular business that this is recommended, but the good qualities that I am telling you again, so that will actually help you decide whether you want something of this gemstone or no. So there is no harm to wear Ketu. Like Rahu and Ketu, we say, that people we get scared of Rahu Ketu, कि भाई राहु केतु से दूर रहना चाहिए. It's not that. The ruler qualities that are there, it helps you get that. So wealth and prosperity we all seek, and Ketu does help you in gaining that. And Chupadhan, so the wearer will definitely benefit from that. Jewelry, if we want to design something from Ketu gemstone and not wear a normal Ketu ring or something, then I have a beautiful set that we have customized and designed from the cat's eye. Here you can see they are all chrysoberyl cat's eye. So the type of cat's eye is chrysoberyl cat's eye. They are totally Sri Lankan. We almost took nothing less than 4 to 5 months to make this set, because they have been hand-picked from Sri Lanka by our gemstone team. And you can see the shading. This side is all apple green, and that is all Alex and apple green shading you can see. And we've designed the earring. And this is the necklace and the bracelet. From the cat's eye. So this is one of our couture sets that we will only be making once in a lifetime. Such sets we just make one pieces for our clients, and we don't repeat the designs. This is one of those sets that we have made. And besides this heavy set, we've made many other cat's eye small pendant sets and rings, and we keep on designing from cat's eye. Here, as I told you last time, we usually have to make sure that all our gemstones are certified. So here is the certificate for the cat's eye, and the corals, etc. Cat's eye, one more feature that I would like to tell you is it has the cathoyancy. It is called the cathoyancy effect, which goes on. We all have seen the cat's eye. So cat's eye looks like, it has a line in the middle, and that line moves when you rotate the stone. That quality is there. Cathoyancy in French means the visibility of the cat's eye, actual cat's eye, and that is why this effect that is there in the cat's eye, we call it cathoyancy. So as you see, here you see when I'm rotating the stone, you can see even the line is moving. This beautiful effect is only available in the cat's eye. And in cabochons, whenever the cat's eye is a cabochon, this effect you will see. It's called cathoyancy. And it is like, it gives you optical effect in the gemstone. So we know the goodness of the cat's eye as well. I hope that the information that we are sharing is useful to you. I would appreciate your comments below, and suggestions are more than welcome from your side. We are more than happy to connect with you. So going live gives us an opportunity to connect well with our viewers, and do mention in the comments below if there are any aspects that you would like me to discuss on. So again, tomorrow at same time 4 p.m. we'll be meeting on our platform, And the gemstone of the day tomorrow, that is Wednesday, we will be talking about Panna, which is emerald. So it is popularly called Panna, and it belongs to the day Wednesday. So I'll be happy to share some facts with you and interesting things. So be ready with some questions. Some live questions from your end will be appreciated. Thank you and have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow.